Hey guys, spring is finally here. Thank God, rain be gone. I've been using a lot of shimmers and glitters on my eyes, and you guys on our Instagram have been responding really well, so I decided to do a tutorial to show you guys how I got this look. All right, since it's spring, summer, we're gonna start with our foundation, but we're gonna keep it on the lighter side, so I'm gonna use a serum foundation by Algenist, the Reveal. And it's awesome because it also has SPF 15. And I just actually got this and I'm obsessed with it, you guys. So as you can see, it's on the lighter side, like serum-y, but it actually has really good coverage. I thought it was gonna be super light, but it's not. And lately I like to use my hands to blend my foundation. I feel like it's the oils from your fingers matched with the foundation. It just blends so much better. So I apply it with my fingertips and then I blend if I need to. I do the same thing with my concealer. Alrighty, now moving on to the concealer. I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Touch, or no, Magic Away Concealer. And I'm actually gonna be using Sir John's method because I realized that looked so much better. And if you guys are wondering what the hell I'm talking about, we'll put a link, but it was the video we did a few weeks ago where Beyonce's makeup artist said that to use a concealer, like not too light, and to not apply a lot and use your fingertips to actually blend versus a beauty blender. And obviously don't go crazy rubbing because you don't want it to be, it's just like a really sensitive area and you don't want to damage your skin and cause premature aging. All right, now that I applied my concealer and foundation with my fingertips, I'm just gonna lightly blend. It's already pretty absorbed, there's not much to blend. And then I'm gonna apply my translucent powder. I use the Kat Von D Lock-It. It's my favorite, been using it for years. Just apply it everywhere. Okay, moving on to eyes. So for the eyes, like I feel like during the fall, winter, matte looks are really cool. But lately, I've been using a lot of shimmery glitter colors and you guys love it. You guys have been posting a lot of messages on our Instagram. So I'm gonna show you guys how I've been getting that glittery, shimmery eye look. It's super, super simple. I know a lot of people are intimidated by the glitter look, but not the way I do it. Because we don't got 5 hours to apply makeup. So I'm just priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion. For my eyes, I don't like to use 7,000 palettes. It just gets really intimidating and overwhelming. Like, why so many colors? Why so many palettes? So I use one palette at a time. When I want my shimmery look, I use the Dose of Colors Desi Katy Friendcation, because I feel like it has every color that you would possibly need to achieve like a bomb look. So here are the lighter ones and then the shimmers. So it has like a perfect blend of like whatever look you're trying to create. What I like to do is start with my base, and with my base I just like get the lightest color and a crease brush, like a super large crease brush, and I just apply it all over my eyes. So once I have my base, that's when, like once you apply your base, you can start building from there. All right, now that I got my base, I want to tip out the edges with a little bit of darkness. So I use this brown one. And all I do is this. Like just a little bit on both ends. And the key to everything, you guys, like to having nice eyeshadow, is blending with a crease brush. It's really not the application process, it's literally the blending process. And then with the brush, again, I just dab a little, you don't even need to, just blend. All right, see how subtle it became? All right, so this is the most important part to get that like shimmer look, because right now I'm just matted out. With your flat brush and some mist, get your brush wet and then get into the shimmery part. I'm gonna use this one. As you can see, I've been using a lot of it. But I love this color as well, but I feel like that's more like evening-y. And then when you wet it, it like applies seamlessly. And don't drag it, just tap it. And so as you could see, like this part is the dark, so don't go into that territory, just wherever that you didn't apply the dark. And I applied it on both, the shimmer on both ends of the brush, so I didn't need to reapply right now when doing my other eye. Love this color. So now, since it was wet, I'm gonna wait for it to dry. You don't want to start working on it again if it's wet, because then it'll just like mess up everything. And now that I have like the shimmer area, I'm just gonna go in with this brown color and my crease brush again, and just kind of like marry the top to the glitter so it's not so separated, the entire look. I feel like you could use this look for daytime and nighttime. I use it for both. Because I only like applying makeup once a day. So when I apply it in the daytime, I keep it on this lighter end. And then for nighttime, I just add a little more darkness at the tips. So you really only need 2 brushes for this look, you guys. You need like a flat brush and a large crease brush. Alrighty, so now that I did the top of the eyes, I'm gonna move on to the bottom. I use a white or like nude eyeliner for the waterline, because it makes your eyes pop more. And then using the same palette and a little round brush, I use the same color I used on the top edge. And I only bring it out halfway. And then with a lighter color, maybe just like mixing, I bring it all the way in. Lately, I've actually been liking like heavier bottoms. I feel like when you're like tired and have dark circles, the lower you go with your shadow, the more you're hiding. Okay, and then I'm gonna do that's the game changer here. The Charlotte Tilbury Pot of Gold. I just add this area. And I feel like it just like expands your eyes and then the brow bone a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. So the trick with the eyebrows, guys, is brush down first and get the natural line of your brows. And then brush up and do the same. That way you're getting like a really natural look versus overdrawn. Okay, so now let's do this mascara. I don't like to wear lashes. Every so often I get lash extensions or I get lash tint and lift. Right now I have nothing. But if I'm not going anywhere during the daytime or nighttime, I think the eyeshadow look is enough. And I use the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. All right, now I'm just gonna remove all the excess powder from my skin. And do a bit of contouring in my nose. And my holy grail bronzer slash whatever I use on my face to get me the glow is the Lisa Watier in Havana. This is seriously the best color ever. All right, now I'm just the big brush, kind of blend everything together. Now it's time for some blush. I love using the Morphe brush blushes, you guys. I just think the colors, like the blush palette, the colors are just so beautiful. This is the one I'm using right now. For lips, I'm gonna keep it light because my eyes are so shimmery, but you could totally wear like coral or corally colors as well. But I'm gonna do the nude. I'm using Dose of Colors Casual Lip Liner and On Repeat Gloss. I like using gloss versus lip paint because with a shimmery look, because I feel like it's like the glossy, the wet kind of look. And then my final touch is using the Anastasia brow gel. This is like the final look. I'm brushing my brows up. I feel like it completely completes the look. All right, you guys, I hope you liked my spring summer makeup tutorial using glittery eyes. I will see you guys next time. If you have any suggestions for videos, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're new here. See you guys next time.